Hi, Kevin here. Well, we had a really busy day today. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to fix something very easy but very delicious. I'm going to fix baked barbecue chicken. And the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven. Sorry, I'm just adjusting the camera here. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, if you don't feel like chopping a bunch of vegetables, grab a couple of 16-ounce bags of frozen stir-fry mix. This should be available in any supermarket. And this particular mix contains red, green, and yellow peppers and onions. And I think there are there are no green beans in here. Throw them in a baking dish. Going to open the second bag. I'm doing 2 bags because we like lots of vegetables. Spread them out. And then for the chicken, I have just 3 skinless, boneless breasts here. Put them right on top of the vegetables. Could probably fit 4 chicken breasts in this dish if you had more mouths to feed than I do. And then, remembering this is a very, very easy dinner, what you do is take some bottled barbecue sauce, and this happens to be my favorite. It's Sweet Baby Ray's award-winning barbecue sauce. I don't know what award it won, but apparently it did win an award. There was probably a competition for best barbecue sauce. Grabbing a spoon, and then just spread out the barbecue sauce. Told you this was really easy. And then I'm going to add a bit of salt and pepper, which I meant to add before I applied the barbecue sauce, but actually doesn't make any difference. Oh, and in truth, had I added the salt and pepper first, it would have been all knocked off when I spread on the barbecue sauce. Some pepper. And then I want to cover this very tightly. And the only way I know to cover a dish very tightly is with aluminum foil. If you have a super tight fitting lid for your baking dish, then by all means use it. Seal it very tightly, and then this goes into the preheated 350 degree oven for 45 minutes. Then you remove the lid and continue baking for another 15 minutes uncovered. And we'll come back when this gets done. All right, the chicken has been in the oven for 45 minutes, so remove the foil. Oh, it's very colorful. And then I'm going to return this to the 350 degree oven for just 15 minutes, uncovered. I'm also going to warm up some of this rice that I made a few weeks ago, and then I put it in the freezer. Really convenient to have rice in your freezer, especially for a night like tonight when you're really tired. Okay, we'll come back when this is done. All right, the chicken is done, and I'm just giving the chicken another little drizzle of barbecue sauce because why not? All right, I'll come back and show you what this looks like on the plate. All right, Mr. Fox has a business meeting, so he will be eating later tonight. Anyway, here's my serving. Here's the chicken breast. And I garnished the chicken breast with a sage leaf that I plucked from the garden. Here's the rice, which made a nice bed for all of these beautiful previously frozen vegetables. Here's a Kaiser roll that I made earlier today, and I will probably make them again tomorrow and film the recipe for you. They're really delicious. And for dessert, strawberry ice cream. And this is a basil leaf. And the ice cream is melting very rapidly because I thawed it in the microwave, and I overthawed it. Here's the leftover barbecue chicken. So one of these will be for Mr. Fox, and another one will be saved for a meal at some later date. And of course, I want to have a taste of the chicken. Here it is. Very juicy, very tender. And it's tender because I covered the casserole dish very tightly. Tripod doesn't want to cooperate. Yeah, I covered the casserole very tightly, so the chicken was able to bake and steam at the same time. So I hope you will give this baked barbecue chicken and the vegetables a try someday. It's a ridiculously quick and easy meal to put together, yet it is truly delicious. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.